In this video I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok profile image. Now before we start the video, can you just leave a like, subscribe? That would help the channel a lot. So to proceed, open your TikTok app and then go to the profile page. From here, click on your actual image right here and then click on this like icon with the pencil, and then you will be able to choose any image you want. So if I click on that and I click on this, and if I click on save, TikTok will save that image as my new profile picture. Or you can go to edit, do the same thing, click on the change photo, and then you can take, upload or view photo, or you can even change or upload a video of yours. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.